Oh my God. I'm having a moment for this outfit. What? Oh, look at this. Day. Okay, let's tie this first. Bring these in here through the loopholes. When the sun goes down. Yes. Check out my shoes. Let's put on the blazer. I like to cinch, lift, whatever. But it's up to her. What suits her as well. And we're just going to, oh, this is super duper trooper with this. Just that little touch of color. How gorgeous is this look? Oh, I love it. She can wear it as a clutch, she can wear it as, you know, with a chain, she can put it like that. I think that's super cool. And she has this very effortless look. Oh la la. I would take this on a date. Even lunch, brunch. I think this is fab. Oh, I want this outfit. Yes. Maybe even summer work, just take off, change the top so it's not cropped.